Unlock the secrets to creating truly captivating video with the Sony A7 IV as we dive into its powerful features and the art of cinematic angles. To start, let's set up our A7 IV for stunning visual storytelling. Navigate to your video settings for that cinematic feel. We'll aim for 24 frames per second in Full HD or 4K. Next, find your picture profile. Slog 3 is your best friend for maximum dynamic range and color grading flexibility, giving you the most control in post-production. But for a quicker, punchier look straight out of camera, try the creative look profiles, like movie or vivid, adjusting saturation and contrast to your preference. Manual focus is absolutely crucial for cinematic control. Disable autofocus to precisely guide the viewer's eye. Practice using the focus ring, utilizing the magnified view and focus peaking on your LCD screen to ensure your subject is tack sharp. Now, let's talk angles. Your choice of angle dramatically impacts the mood and perception of your subject. A high-angle shot, looking down on your subject, can evoke feelings of vulnerability or insignificance. Think of it as framing an object of pity or isolation. Conversely, a low-angle shot, looking up at your subject, often makes them appear powerful, authoritative, or even intimidating. This angle imbues them with a sense of gravitas. The classic eye-level shot, or medium shot, creates a sense of equality and a direct connection with the viewer, fostering empathy and relatability. These are just starting points. Experiment with Dutch angles or extreme close-ups to add further visual interest and emotional impact. Combine these fundamental camera settings with thoughtful angling, and you'll transform your footage from simple recordings into compelling cinematic narratives. Happy filming!